It might seem like the People tab in Canvas is only used for adding students, teachers, observers, and other roles to the site, but there's an additional, often overlooked feature that lets you divide people into group sets. To add a group set, hit this blue button. The group set name should reflect a particular project or assignment that you're working on, since you'll have to create smaller groups within this one that actually contains the students. Some instructors give students the opportunity to choose their groups through self-sign-up. When this is selected, students have the ability to move themselves from one group to another. An additional section called Group Structure appears, and this is where you can specify the number of groups and specify if you'd like to set a limit on how many students can be in each group. There's also a leadership section where you can assign a group leader. This can be either the first student to join the group or a random student. As group leaders, students can manage members of the group and edit the group name. But let's say you don't want this student to have so much control. Instead of self-sign-up, you could either split them into a random number of groups or manually create the groups. Let's say I don't want to assign a student group leader and I want to create the groups manually. I can then save my settings, and now you'll see all the students on the left-hand side as unassigned. To start creating the groups, press the gray group button. Here you can set the group name and limit to a certain number of members. Your group will populate, and you can drag students from the unassigned column to add them to the group. You can continue this process to add more groups, and once you have them, you're all set to use them for a particular assignment. To do this, navigate to the Assignments tab. Select the assignment where you would like to incorporate the group. Here I have the nursing group assignment. Click to edit the assignment settings and scroll down to check the box for group assignment. Canvas gives you the option to grade students in the group individually, meaning they'll get different grades, or as a whole. Then select the group set. Remember, the group set is the name we chose to reflect the project, and the smaller group of students exists within that group set. Then save your settings, and the students will be notified of the group assignment rules. So for example, if you set it so all students in the group receive the same grade, the student will receive a message that the submission will count for everyone in the group,